Welcome back, I am Adria and today we will lift our eye corners. Why is it so important? It's an important supporting point. If our temples start to sunken and loose, the whole face seems droopy and looks flat. Our contours is first to suffer and then we get worried. Why it seems droopy, then our upper cheeks droop as well, then mouth corners. So keeping our contours plump and white is a vital step against aging. Today's face yoga will do a great favor in these motions. We need to chew because the sides of our contours is a large masseter called temporal. So let's start working out with our first movement. Place your fingers on the temporal. Inhale air through your mouth like this. Puff up your cheeks and begin to move as if you are chewing the air. Do it for a minute, follow along, and if you are a beginner, I would suggest you to look into the mirror and practice while following the tutorial. Keep doing it. Feel the resistance in your cheeks and on your temporal muscle. Follow along, don't give up. Second movement is to chew from left to right. Place your fingers on both sides of your head, exactly where the cheekbones end, and turn your mandible to the right down side and return to the center like this. Then turn outside to the right down side and return to the center. When your teeth gets touched, be gentle, don't bite it too hard. Keep doing it for a minute, follow along. Third movement is tongue impedance. Place your fingers on the temporal muscles. Touch your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Place it flat to the roof of your mouth and apply as much pressure as you can. Now open and close your chin. It might be exhausting at first, but once you get used to the movement, it becomes easier. Keep doing it. Do it for 30 seconds. Almost same as our first movement. Fourth movement is to relax our temporal muscles now. Place your fingers on the temporal muscles. Relax for a minute and a half. Follow along. Keep doing it. Don't stop. This was all about lifting our eye corners and temples. See you next time. Until then, keep pampering and adding new techniques to your routine.